In this video, I'll show you how to add a PDF to a Mailchimp campaign step by step. To begin, navigate to Mailchimp and make sure you're logged in to your account. Next, go to the Campaigns section from the left-hand menu. Click Create in the top right corner and select Create Email. Now, choose how you'd like to design your email. You can start from scratch, use a basic layout, choose a pre-built template, or even use HTML. For this tutorial, we'll use a template. Select your template, and once the email editor opens, drag and drop a button content block into the location where you want to add the PDF link. Next, in the button settings, choose File as the link type. Then upload your PDF file. Make sure the file size is under 10 megabytes before uploading. After the upload is complete, you can rename the button text and customize its appearance, including the style, size, and alignment if you'd like. Once everything looks good, save your changes and continue with your campaign. And that's how you can add a PDF to a Mailchimp campaign.